Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I am part of a collaboration that's titled Pounding into March, and it's all about celebrating pound cakes. It's hosted by Southern Roots by Sheri, and we're all making pound cakes throughout the month of March. And today is my day. And today I'm gonna make a Shirley Temple pound cake. I do love drinking a Shirley Temple ever since I was a child. Well, you take that concept and we're gonna put it in a pound cake. Let's go! Grab a bowl. We need to start with a cup of melted butter, 2 cups of sugar, and beat that together. I'm gonna beat in 3 eggs. I'm gonna mix in 2 cups of flour. I need 1½ teaspoons of lemon extract and a ½ cup of 7-Up. Let's beat it to combine. We're gonna need an 8-ounce jar of maraschino cherries. Save the juice, but I'm gonna be folding in 8 ounces of cherries. Maraschino. I've greased and floured a bundt pan, and now I'm gonna add that mix to it. And I'm gonna bake this low and slow at 325, and it could take a while to set, maybe 70 to 90 minutes. It's all done and cooled, you just flip it over. I'm gonna poke holes along the top using a chopstick, and pour that leftover cherry juice over the top. For the topping, I'm going to need about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of lemon extract, and a couple tablespoons of 7-Up. Mix that together and drizzle that all over the top. Then we'll cover with a few extra cherries. And it is ready for serving. Shirley Temple pound cake. Yes. The maraschino cherries, I love that. It is so lemony and effervescent. What do I give this out of 10? I think I'll give it a 6.3. Thanks Southern Roots by Sheri for hosting this awesome pound cake collaboration. To see more pound cakes, you gotta check out that playlist in my description. I think I can hear music coming out of the printer. I think the paper must be jamming again.